Actually, I want to make that 100 million. So these are the number of foreign currencies that you think you're going to have to convert to the domestic uh, over the long term. Let's see. I'm going to make this a different color. And you're going to find out why. Take the foreign amount divided by the swap exchange rates. All right. So if we agree that swap exchange rate is 147.69, those are the dollar amounts you're going to get. I mean, I'm calling this domestic versus foreign. And the exchange rate convention we have is value of the domestic currency in terms of foreign currency. The trouble is, how do we know that 147.69 is the right number? To figure that out, I need to figure out what are the interest rates for the foreign currency and what are the interest rates for domestic currency. The idea is I'm going to calculate the present value of the foreign amounts using the foreign interest rates. I'm going to calculate present value of the domestic amount given the swap rate using the domestic interest rates. If the swap value is right, then the ratio of those present values should give the swap currency rate, right? And I'm going to apply, or let's actually do this to help myself. If this year number is greater than length of swap, 0, let's get the foreign interest rates. Let's find out the interest rates for US or There should be some sort of table. Yeah. Current the 1 year is 805. Come on. 2 year 927. I don't know why that happened, but they'll figure it out. Let's do the domestic. What do you see? Yeah. And my eyes are, oh, there it is.